On September 20th, Microsoft officially unleashed its first major update for Windows 11, known also as Windows 11 22H2. This version, in my opinion, is basically what Windows 11 should have been from the beginning. You can set up folders in the Start menu, adjust the size of Pin App section, drag and drop or drag and open files on the taskbar. Finally, browser-like tabs in File Explorer, adopt new layouts for snapping windows, or an easier way to reach out the old right-click context menu. These are just some of the features that rolled out with the new update, and to be honest, I'm very happy with the new changes. They really do make Windows 11 experience more enjoyable. But not everybody got the update yet. I myself just got the update a couple of days ago, which is 1.5 months after the original release. So in this video I will show you how you can manually update to the latest Windows version in case you don't get the update the traditional way, as in without waiting for the update to become available in Windows updates. So, the fastest way to manually download and install Windows 11 22H2 update is via Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, you have to go to Microsoft.com Windows 11. I usually search download Windows 11 and click on the first link from Microsoft. Here, we go to Windows 11 Installation Assistant and click Download Now. Once downloaded, double-click on the file and your PC will display the User Account Control pop-up window. Here, click Yes to load the Installation Assistant. First thing you'll notice is that the assistant will prompt you to run the PC Health Check app. This tool is more for those who upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 and don't know if their system is compatible or not. If you already have Windows 11, you don't really need to do it. For the sake of the tutorial, I will run it anyway. If you have Windows 10 and your PC fails the health check, don't worry about it. There are numerous ways to bypass the restriction and install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. I'll drop some links in the description regarding this topic, as well as a mention at the end of this video. So make sure you watch this video until the end if you want to learn how to make a Windows 11 USB for unsupported hardware the easiest way. Back to the Installation Assistant, click on the Refresh, then License Agreement page, click Accept and Install. The Installation Assistant will start downloading the latest version of Windows 11. Depending on your internet connection speed, downloading the update will take a while. Once the download is complete, the installation will start a 30 minutes restart countdown. To restart immediately, click Restart Now. Now, this was the first method, which requires an internet connection at all time. For the second method, we still do need internet, but just for downloading the ISO file. The rest can be done offline. On the same Microsoft page from where we downloaded the installation media, if we go a little more down the page, we can see Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Here, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition, followed by selecting the product language, then click Download Now. As you can see here, the version is 22H2. When the ISO file finishes downloading, right-click on it and select Mount. The ISO file will mount like a DVD on your PC. Open the mounted drive and double-click on setup.exe. Then follow the wizard to complete the installation. Here is the important part. If you want to update only and not a fresh install, make sure that Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. It should appear with a check mark. If that's not the case, then click on Change What to Keep, and here you can choose between Nothing for a clean installation, Keep Personal Files Only, or Keep Personal Files and Apps. After this, press Next and let the update or installation run its course. And as a bonus, let's not forget about Rufus. With Rufus, you can download and create Windows 11, 10, 8, 8.1, even Windows 7 bootable USB. And you don't even need to go to Microsoft or Installation Assistant for it. And what's even more impressive, and what I mentioned earlier, is the built-in option Rufus has with which you can create a Windows 11 USB for unsupported hardware. All you have to do is download Rufus, the link is in the description, launch it, insert a minimum 8GB USB, from the drop menu, click on Download, select the Windows 11 version, language, and let the download begin. When the download is complete, you can select between Standard Windows or Windows to Go, which is a portable Windows very handy if you need a ready-to-go operating systems for, I don't know, emergencies. You can check out this video for more details. Again, the link is in the description. If you have a device with supported hardware, then there is nothing else you need to do except pressing start. However, if you have an unsupported device for Windows 11, then you have to select MBR, and after pressing start, a window with some option will appear. Here, check out what you want, like bypassing the 4GB RAM requirements and so on. When all this is done, just click on start and that's pretty much it.